Did you know you can use onion for protection, especially when you sleep? Did you know that it can prevent you from harm? You have to do it this way for effective results. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. I always share spiritual tips and messages on this channel. Recently, I've started adding some true life stories, like something that has happened truly. You can check it out. Okay, make sure you subscribe so that you can get my uploads. Alright, so this particular one is mainly on protection. So I want to also let you know that I don't give WhatsApp number. I don't do spiritual work. I only share spiritual tips. You doing them rightly with faith, they work. Like, they are very effective. How to use onion for protection. This is the right way to make use of onion. Though I've shared some tips using onion, illustrating to you how proper way to make use of onion for protection. This particular one is how to use it for cleansing, to cleanse the environment, to cleanse your space, to cleanse yourself. When you get onion, be it the white type, the purple type, or the red type, all are the same. When it comes to spiritual, just use anyone, but the way you use it matters. You are not using it alone, just with faith. I know faith is good, but you have to also invite God, like telling God that you need him so much, you cannot do without him. He's the author and finisher of everything. He's the one that can place the power, his power, into this that will make it work. Without him, this is invalid. So onion, yes, it helps for protection, but you need a power in it that will charge it to make it start working for you. So all you have to do is just to get the onion without peeling it. Okay, do not remove the peel. Cut it into 4 like that, with the peel, with the shell. Transfer it into your blender, or you can pound it. When you are done, add some water in it to squeeze out some juice from it. The juice is what you have to use, but do not use it yet. Do not be in a hurry. Just keep it in a container, cover it. You have to leave it overnight. During that time, you have to be praying to God, telling God to have mercy upon you, that you're a sinner. I always say you should use Psalm 51. Psalm 51 is mainly for protection, mainly for prayers, telling God that you're a sinner. You should forgive your iniquities, okay? Then after that, believe that God has forgiven you, and make sure you stick to it. Do not divert your faith. Do not start doing things that you used to do before. Make sure you do the things that pleases God, so that anytime you call upon him, God will hear you and answer you, so that God will protect you always. Have you put your hand in some horrible stuff? Have you involved in one thing evil or the other, which does not please God? Just pray, tell God to have mercy upon you. Then after, continue using this. So when you have believed that God has forgiven you, the next day, get that juice out, the juice of onion. Then you have to pray one more time. Open it and pray, inviting the power of God, saying that you need the power of God into this, that you cannot do it alone. Then you add salt. Please, sea salt. You have to add 7 sea salts. Why I say you should use sea salt, especially the one that is not ground, is because you need to count it. Okay, just count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Transfer into that juice, onion juice, that you left overnight. Keep it inside and just for some time until the salt dissolves. This water is powerful. This water is no longer ordinary onion juice. This water is now very holy. It can break every evil out of your life. It can destroy charms, spells, name it. I just said use it before you go to bed. Does not mean that you cannot use it anytime. You know, when it comes to protection, okay, people always think of mainly at night, because so many forces arises when we sleep. When you are sleeping, you are resting, okay? You don't know what happens at midnight. That is why some people, they always want protection, especially at night. But remember, during the day, you also need protection. You go out there, you don't know what is out there. You only pray to God that you need guidance. You need guidance, you need direction. You want to go out and come back successfully. But your ways can be different. But your thoughts can automatically change what you want for that day can change automatically to a different one. That is why we need protection always. As you go out, let God protect you. As you meet people, let God protect you so that you come back successfully in good health and everything. So just use it anytime, okay? But you must keep that onion juice overnight, then you start using it from that day. So if you like, use it. If you like, use everything. You can still just keep some remain in the container. This is how to use it. Use it to cleanse the home, okay? Just add it into some water, a little water, so that you can sprinkle it around the home. I always advise cleansing your home, be it a new home or your old home, like your house that you live in. You can cleanse it once in a while. Do not say onion smells. No. This is a spiritual cleanse that will get rid of negative forces, negative energies, anything bringing evil to that house. Then you can add it into your bath water, some amount. Mix it and pray, telling God that you need protection. That whosoever plans evil for you should go back to that person. Any evil that comes to you should go back to that person. This is not a bad prayer. You can also use Psalm 35 to pray, telling God you need protection. This Psalm 35 is mainly on protection. God will fight for you. God will return all evil back to whosoever that is planning that evil to you. If what you are passing through is as a result of what you have brought to yourself, that is why you should tell God to have mercy upon you. Then you protect. That He should protect you as well. May God bless you. So just go on and follow the directions and also watch this video. Okay, do not forget to give this video a like. Okay, like this video, please. Do not just watch and go. Okay, subscribe if you have not. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm introducing like some videos about true life stories. These are authentic stories. People reach out to me and give me some things about them, and I just want to carry it out and share with you guys to learn. So please make sure you subscribe and also follow every video. May God bless you. So thank you so much, and please, this cleansing, this work, you can do it anytime. You can use it as many times as you like. You can do it 2 times a week, every day if you want, but make sure you are not seeing your period when you are doing it. And also do not meet with your partner sexually immediately before this or after this. May God bless you. I will see you next time.